Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the size and color of your mouse pointer on Windows 11. This is perfect if you want better visibility or a more personalized experience. To get started, click the Start menu, select Settings or press Windows plus I. In Settings, go to Accessibility. It used to be called Ease of Access in older versions. Scroll down and click Mouse Pointer and Touch. You'll see a slider under Pointer Size. Drag the slider to make the pointer larger or smaller. Changes apply immediately, so you can see what works best. Make the pointer large enough for visibility, but not too big for accuracy. Right above the size slider, you can change the pointer color. Choose white default, black yellow, or custom color. You can also add other features like a shadow, trail, and so on, and that's it. Now you know how to change the size and color of your mouse pointer in Windows 11. It's quick, easy, and really helps if you need better visibility. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications.